how to fix voicemail not working on Poco M8. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on additional settings. After click on additional setting, scroll down and click on developer option. Scroll down and search media setting from here. You will see. Click on media DRM settings. So you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software, go back to home screen. So you will check your problem is solved. If it's still not solved, click on settings app. Scroll down and click on more connectivity options. After click on more connectivity options, scroll down and click on reset settings. After click on reset setting, enter your phone pin, click on next and click on OK. After click on OK, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix voicemail not working on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.